क्या वो इसके बारे में जानता है? Does he know about it? Does he know about it? हाँ, वो इसके बारे में जानता है. Yes, he knows about it. Yes, he knows about it. या फिर आप बोल सकते हैं Yes, he does. Yes, he does. यानी हाँ, वो उसके बारे में जानता है. नहीं, वो उसके बारे में नहीं जानता. No, he doesn't know about it. No, he doesn't know about it. या फिर No, he doesn't. यानी नहीं, वो इसके बारे में नहीं जानता. क्या आप मेरे घर आ सकते हैं? Can you come to my house? Can you come to my house? जरूर, क्यों नहीं? Sure, why not? Sure, why not? वो किस तरह का है? What is he like? What is he like? वह बहुत मिलनसार है. He is very friendly. He is very friendly. वह कब वापस आएगा? When will he come back? When will he come back? वह कल वापस आ जाएगा. He will come back tomorrow. He will come back tomorrow. उसके साथ कौन है? Who is with him? Who is with him? उसके साथ कोई भी नहीं है. There is no one with him. There is no one with him. क्या वो गुस्से में है? Is he angry? Is he angry? हाँ, वो बहुत गुस्से में है. Yes, he is very angry. Yes, he is very angry. आप किसके लिए काम करते हैं? Who do you work for? Who do you work for? मैं एक संस्था के लिए काम करता हूँ. I work for an organization. I work for an organization. आपको कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. क्या थोड़ी देर और रुक सकते हो? Can you stay a little longer? Can you stay a little longer? नहीं, मैं और नहीं रुक सकता. I can't stay more. I can't stay more. क्योंकि मुझे समय पर पहुंचना होगा. Because I have to reach on time. Because I have to reach on time. मेरे बच्चे मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहे होंगे. My children are waiting for me. My children are waiting for me. क्या आप कुछ भूल गए? Did you forget something? Did you forget something? मैं अपना मोबाइल भूल गया. I forgot my mobile. I forgot my mobile. आप कितनी बार वहाँ जाते हैं? How often do you go there? How often do you go there? मैं हर दूसरे दिन वहाँ जाता हूँ. I go there every other day. I go there every other day. क्या आपने वो मूवी देखी? Did you watch that movie? Did you watch that movie? हाँ, मैंने वो मूवी देख ली. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखी. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. नहीं, मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखी. No, I haven't seen it yet. No, I haven't seen it yet. क्या हम साथ में लंच कर सकते हैं? Can we have lunch together? Can we have lunch together? हाँ, क्यों नहीं? Yes, why not? Yes, why not? मुझे खबर देते रहो. Keep me in the loop. Keep me in the loop. मैं दीवार से टकरा गया. I bumped into the wall. I bumped into the wall. सिंगल रहना बहुत मुश्किल है. It is very difficult to remain single. It is very difficult to remain single. मैं वही खाने वाला था. I was going to eat the same thing. I was going to eat the same thing. देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाया. Look what I got for you. Look what I got for you. आप किसका इंतज़ार कर रही हैं? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? मैं सही समय का इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I am waiting for the right time. I am waiting for the right time. आप मुझसे कब तक इंतज़ार करवाना चाहते हैं? How long do you want me to wait? How long do you want me to wait? बस थोड़ा सा और. Just a little more. Just a little more. क्या आपको पता है? Do you know? Do you know? वहाँ पहुँचने में कितना समय लगेगा? How much time will it take to reach there? How much time will it take to reach there? मुझे लगता है. I think. I think. वहाँ पहुँचने में लगभग आधा घंटा लगेगा. It will take about half an hour to reach there. It will take about half an hour to reach there. बारिश शुरू होने वाली है. It about to start raining. It is about to start raining. बारिश शुरू हो गई है. It has started raining. It has started raining. आपने रविवार की शाम को क्या किया? What did you do on Sunday evening? What did you do on Sunday evening? हम लोग पार्क में घूमने गए थे. We went for a walk in the park. We went for a walk in the park. क्या आपने अपना ईमेल चेक किया? Have you checked your email? Have you checked your email? अगर आपने अपना ईमेल चेक कर लिया है तो उसे बोलेंगे Yes, I have. Yes, I have. क्या तुम सुबह जल्दी उठने वालों में से हो? Are you a morning person? Are you a morning person? आपने फिर क्या किया? What did you do next? What did you do next? कुछ नहीं, मैं चुप रहा. Nothing, I remained silent. Nothing, I remained silent. क्या आपको मेरा संदेशा मिला? Did you get my message? Did you get my message? मुझे आपका संदेशा मिल गया था. I had received your message. I had received your message. भगवान का शुक्र है. Thank God. Thank God. जरा 1 मिनट रुको. Just wait for a minute. Just wait for a minute. ये तो बस शुरुआत है. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. This is not a big deal. This is not a big deal. यहाँ इंतज़ार करो. Wait here. Wait here. हम खतरे में हैं. We are in danger. We are in danger. हम यहाँ सुरक्षित हैं. We are safe here. We are safe here. मुझे याद है. I remember. I remember. मुझे आप याद हैं. I remember you. I remember you. तुम्हें कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं है. You have no idea. You have no idea. गोली मत चलाओ. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. बंदूक नीचे रखो. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. इसे उठाइए. Pick it up. Pick it up. चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Let's go. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's start. Let's start. उसे व्यस्त रखो. Keep him busy. Keep him busy. उसे मत छुओ. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. इसे बंद कर दो. Turn it off. Turn it off. इस बीच में. In the meanwhile. In the meanwhile. ठंडी हवा चल रही है. Cold wind is blowing. Cold wind is blowing. मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है. I am feeling dizzy. I am feeling dizzy. मेरे पास पैसों की कमी है. I have a shortage of money. I have a shortage of money. समय आ गया है. The time has come. The time has come. आपको बोलने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है. You have no right to speak. You have no right to speak. मुझे पूरा अधिकार है. I have full rights. I have full rights. खिड़की से दूर रहो. Stay away from the window. Stay away from the window. हमें इस तरह मिलना बंद करना होगा. We need to stop meeting like this. We need to stop meeting like this. मैं कल वापस आऊँगा. I will come back tomorrow. I will come back tomorrow. इसे मेरे कमरे में रख दो. Put this in my room. Put this in my room. तुम लोग नहीं समझोगे. You all will not understand. You all will not understand. मुझे धन्यवाद कहना है. I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need. There is no need. मुझे ये पता लगाना है. I want to find out. I want to find out. मुझे फैसला लेना पड़ा. I had to make a decision. I had to make a decision. मुझे नहीं पता था कि ऐसा होने वाला है. I didn't know that this was going to happen. I didn't know that this was going to happen. मेरा दिल मत तोड़ो. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. वो फिर भी गया. He still went. He still went. आप गलत हो सकते हैं. You may be wrong. You may be wrong. वह अकेला आया था. He came alone. He came alone. किसी से बात मत करो. Don't talk to anyone. Don't talk to anyone. वह मेरा पड़ोसी है. He is my neighbor. He is my neighbor. उसे मेरे पास लाओ. Bring him to me. Bring him to me. वे दिन अब चले गए. Those days have gone now. Those days have gone now. मैंने तुम्हें बहुत कुछ दिया. I gave you a lot. I gave you a lot. मैं रात भर जागता रहता था. I used to stay awake all night. I used to stay awake all night. तुम इन सब से बाहर कैसे आए? How did you come out of all this? How did you come out of all this? तुम एक भयानक गलती कर रहे हो. You are making a terrible mistake. You are making a terrible mistake. कोई उससे बात नहीं कर रहा है. No one is talking to him. No one is talking to him. खिड़की से बाहर देखो. Look out the window. Look out the window. लोगों को देखो. Look at the people. Look at the people. बचपन से मैं इसके सपने देख रहा हूँ. I have been dreaming of this since childhood. I have been dreaming of this since childhood. हम एक दूसरे को सब कुछ बताते हैं. We tell each other everything. We tell each other everything. क्या आपको मेरे साथ कोई समस्या है? Do you have any problem with me? Do you have any problem with me? मैंने गलती से आपका नंबर डायल कर लिया. I dialed your number by mistake. I dialed your number by mistake. मुझे वही मिला जो मुझे चाहिए था. I got exactly what I wanted. I got exactly what I wanted. क्या तुम्हें भी वही दिख रहा है जो मुझे दिख रहा है? Are you also seeing what I am seeing? Are you also seeing what I am seeing? आपको मुझे पहले बताना चाहिए था. You should have told me earlier. You should have told me earlier. मैं किसी पर भी भरोसा नहीं करता. I don't trust anyone. I don't trust anyone. मैं आपके लिए वापस आऊँगा. I will come back for you. I will come back for you. क्या आप अंग्रेजी के अलावा कोई अन्य भाषा भी बोल सकते हैं? Can you speak any other language besides English? Can you speak any other language besides English? हाँ, मुझे और भी कई भाषाएं आती हैं. Yes, I know many other languages. Yes, I know many other languages. मैं हिंदी भाषा बोल लेता हूँ. I speak Hindi. I speak Hindi. तुम्हें इस गलती का नतीजा भुगतना पड़ेगा. You will have to suffer the consequences of this mistake. You will have to suffer the consequences of this mistake. चलो फिर से काम पर लग जाओ. Let's get back to work. Let's get back to work. मैं ये कैसे कहूँ? How do I say this? How do I say this? वह कहती कुछ है और करती कुछ है. She says one thing and then she does another thing. She says one thing and then she does another thing. मैंने उससे कहा कि उसके पास मत जाओ. I told him not to go near her. I told him not to go near her. ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना फीडबैक ज़रूर दें और अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ ऐसे ही सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.